We all use ChatGPT every day, but is Perplexity Computer actually better? I have been testing this for a week and the results are shocking. ChatGPT talks to you, but Perplexity Computer actually works inside your real apps. It is more than just a chatbot. It is a digital worker that handles your tasks while you relax. Let's see why it wins in real work. First, click on the connectors panel on the left side of the screen. This is basically a gateway. From here, you can link more than 400 apps with your PC. See, all useful tools like Gmail, Slack and Notion are here. This panel is very important to start our work. Just take your mouse and click once on the icon. Find Gmail from the list and click the Add Connector button. Now allow the permissions for your Google account. There is nothing to fear. The computer will only wait for your orders. See, once connected, the button color will turn blue or green. From now on, it is possible to handle all your mail from this one window. Now click on the new task button to start a new job directly. You will see it on the left side of the screen. As soon as you do this, a white prompt box will appear before you. We have to write our instructions here. Remember, this is not a chatbot. It will work for you. Tell it to find your last newsletter and create a reply draft in the prompt box. It will start working once you write and submit. Look, the computer is entering your inbox by changing browser tabs itself. You do not even need to touch your keyboard or mouse. It will find the mail and make a nice 2-line summary. This will save a lot of your valuable time. An urgent point in the middle. Subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel right now if you want regular tech tips. Your every like gives me a lot of energy to make new videos. Many more advanced tutorials are coming, so press the bell icon so you do not miss any update. Let's go back to the real work. Now we will see how to clean messy data. Click the upload icon below and select your messy CSV file. Often we have to work for hours with such files, but Perplexity will do it in seconds. Wait a bit until the file is uploaded. Give the command in the box to clean data and give a summary report. Work will start as soon as you press enter. Look, the computer is fixing all your mistakes using Python code in the background. It will clean up your data spelling errors or duplicate entries much faster and more perfectly than a human. Ask it to create an interactive dashboard. Within a few seconds, colorful charts and graphs will appear before you. This will help a lot in understanding your business data. You can see detailed information by hovering the mouse over the graph. ChatGPT cannot create such a dashboard for you directly. Click the share button to share the dashboard with everyone. Then copy the link using the copy link option. Now send this link to your client or team member. They can see this report directly in their browser. This increases professionalism in work a lot. Perplexity. Computer is actually a skilled worker for your PC. It will handle mail, clean data, and create reports for you. It is definitely useful for those who do freelance or office work. I hope today's video was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Goodbye.